The next one is the Debtors and Creditors tracker. So this is the accounting one. So this is where you can select a particular supplier if you want to, or a particular customer. You can change the date range here using these two sliders. And then on the right there, you can see your cash flow. So you can see payments received, payments made using these bars. And then the amber one is what your cash flow is. So you can see that at a glance over time. And then on the bottom left, you've got your aged debtors. So you'll be able to see a list of all of your customers. And then over time, what their balances are. And then on the right-hand side, you've got your aged creditors. So you'll be able to see a list of all your suppliers. And then again, what you owe them or what they owe you over time, if there is anything outstanding. We've got along the top here, the unpaid sales invoice value, and then unpaid supplier invoice value. So everything you really need in one place from an accounting perspective to chase cash.